You see the cross? 9/20. You jump in and you get chopped. Why? Because you're trading the wrong time frame with no plan. The 9 and 20 EMA do not work in isolation. You need the 15-minute chart for direction and the 5-minute chart for entries. Miss either? You're blind. By the end of this video, you'll have a dead simple 2-time frame system, 15-minute for the bias, 5-minute for the execution, minimum 1 to 2 risk to reward, trail the rest. Most traders watch the 9 and 20 EMA cross on one chart and pray. They think the cross is the signal. But the reality is, the cross is just the alerts. It's the starting gun, not the finish line. Most traders enter on the 15-minute cross with wide stops and wonder why they bleed on every pullback. Most traders think trailing stops are complicated, so they don't use them, or they trail too tight and get stopped out before the move starts. But the reality is, if the 15-minute trend is valid, the 5-minute chart will give you a tighter entry, a tighter stop, and a cleaner risk to reward. You've been trained to chase the cross. I'm going to teach you to trade the retest. I call this the 920 exponential moving average, SNEEPer, 4 steps, 2 time frames, no confusion. Use this framework and you stop guessing with moving averages. Step 1. Confirm the cross on the 15-minute chart. Wait for the 9 EMA to cross above the 20 EMA for long positions, or below for short positions. But here's the rule. The cross must happen with conviction. Look at the candle that creates the cross. Notice if it closes strong in the direction of the cross, if the 9 crosses the 20. But the candle is a doji with no follow-through. Skip it. The 15-minute cross is your direction, not your entry. Step 2. Switch to the 5-minute chart and wait for the pullback. This is where you get your edge. Most traders buy the cross. You buy the retest. Drop to the 5-minute chart. Wait for price to pull back to the 9 EMA or the 20 EMA. Look for this Peton Bryce rallies on the 15-minute chart. You switch to the 5-minute chart. Price dips back and touches the 9 EMA or the 20 and bounces with a clean candle. That's your entry window. If price blows straight through the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, the setup is dead. Wait for the next 15-minute cross, the key idea. The 5-minute pullback is your entry. 3. Set your stop and target. Place your stop loss below the 5-minute swing low for long positions or above the swing high for ORT positions. Not below the 20 EMA, not below the cross, below the instructure. Your first target is always 1 to 2 risk to reward. Risk 1, target 2. No exceptions. The key idea? 1 to 2 is your floor, not your ceiling. Step 4, trail the trend. After you bank partial profits at 2R, trail the rest. Use the 5-minute EMA as your trailing stop. As long as price stays above it, you stay in. Look for this Peton price trends higher. The 9 EMA acts like a magnet. Price pulls away, then comes back to kiss it and bounces again. That's healthy. But when price close below the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart, you're out. Trail complete. The key idea? Let the 9 EMA kick you out. Let's look at this real example. Gold, 15-minute chart, 9 EMA crosses above the 20, clean green candle. Momentum is there. You don't enter here. You switch to the 5-minute chart. Price rallies for 3 candles, then pulls back. It touches the 9 EMA, 1 candle, 2 candles. It halts. You enter on the 3rd green candle stop below the 5-minute swing low. Target 2R. Price hits 2R in 4 candles. You take half off, MOV stop to break even. The rest runs price, stays above the 9 EMA for 2 more hours. The trailing stop captures the full move. 1 trade, 2 time frames, multiple R. Let's look at another. BTC 15-minute chart, 9 crosses below 20. Red candle, confirmed. Switch to the 5-minute chart. Price pops up, retests the 9 EMA from below. Rejects. You enter R2. Stop above the 5-minute swing high. Target 2 price. Dumps 2 R hit in 6 candles, trail the rest. The 9 EMA holds as resistance on the 5-minute chart. Price rides it down. You stay in until a 5-minute candle closes above the 9 doubt. Clean. Let's run it back. Step 1. Confirm the cross on the 15-minute chart. Direct only. No entries. Step 2. Drop to the 5-minute chart. Wait for the pullback to the 9 or 20 EMA. That's your Step 3. Stop below 5-minute structure. Tarot minimum 1 to 2 risk to reward step 4. Trail with the 5-minute 9 EMA. Let it kick you out. 4 steps, 2 time frames. No more guessing. If this gave you a system instead of another indicator, hit like,